Are energy channels real or just spiritual fantasy? We're taught that only what we can see or touch is real. But what if your body holds a hidden energy system that modern science is only beginning to understand? Yogic science describes 72,000 nadis or energy channels in the body. They carry prana, the life force that fuels your physical, mental, and emotional health. These nadis can't be seen under a microscope. But yogic practices like pranayama and meditation produce real, measurable changes in the body and cleanse them. 3 main nadis are especially important. Ida, the cooling energy, Pingala, the heating energy, and Sushumna, the central channel for spiritual awakening. When these channels are balanced, the dormant energy at the base of your spine, i.e., Kundalini, rises and transforms your awareness. Blocks in these energy pathways come from stress, bad habits, and emotional pain. Yoga offers tools like postures, breath control, and mantras to open these channels and restore flow. We question whether such a system exists because we can't measure it. But if ancient practices can balance your hormones, calm your mind, and energize your body, isn't it worth questioning our modern assumptions? What if energy is real, even if we can't see it?